Hello, this is Piotr from Tapflo, and today I will introduce to you our system designed and built for a company producing traditional Swedish sweets. Watch this movie and learn about blending system for aromas. Together with the customer, we designed every detail of the automated blending process, and based on that, we've built that beautiful machine. There are 3 sanitary diaphragm pumps installed within the system. 2 of them transfer the raw material to the mixing tank exactly as per the recipe. The precision of the system is met thanks to the tensometers installed at the tank, and when the mixture is uniform, the 3rd diaphragm pump transfers it directly to the feeding tank of the process machine. Every machine that we supply to the food sector comes with proper certification, surface treatment that is necessary for efficient cleaning of the machine, and then traceability of every single part used within the system. If you look for a pump, mixer, or a system that is designed and built exactly as you want it, go to tapflo.com and let us know about it.